2012 Nissan Versa air and cabin filter replacement. So for your air filter, pop your hood. You're going to come over to this little spot right here where these clips are. You're going to push these clips upwards. That'll make them released. And then on the back here, there are these little tabs that are stuck in these little holes. And you got to be careful. Basically what's going on is you have tabs like my fingers here, and they're in those holes right there. You got to lift it up and outwards, or else if you just try to rip it out or go too far up, you might break the tabs or break those little holders right there. So you just go up and then straight out, kind of like you're like trying to lift it from the back. Anyways, once you get it out, you should be able to reach in here with two hands and just slide this out. It doesn't give you the most room, but it's pretty easy to get out. Here's my filter. It's a micro guard. Here's my part number. These are just kind of like your basic economy filters. I recommend going OEM if you can, but these will do just fine. So you're going to lift the air box up and then slide this in. And then it should go. Make sure it falls flat in there and it's completely flush. And then when you put this on, you're going to put the back tabs in first. And you're going to lift the front up, try to tuck the back tabs in, and then you'll bring the front down. And then you'll put these clips on. These clips shouldn't be hard to get on, so if they're giving you trouble, you probably don't have it lined up right, and just keep trying, be patient. So that's the air filter. Now let's move on to the cabin filter. The cabin filter is in the car. It's under the glove box, and it's literally under here. You go under here, there's this little black door tray. You're gonna just pull this out, and then you're going to need to kind of, it's attached to the cabin filter. The cabin filter is like a paper filter similar to the air filter. And you're going to need to kind of compress the paper part when you pull this out, because it expands inside of the air box here. Go ahead and get this out. It could be kind of tedious. Try not to drop any sticks and dirt or debris in that air box. Alright, so once we get this out, we're going to go get our new one. This is a Wix filter. That's the part number right there, that big number. Go ahead and get this out, and here's what the new one looks like. This one, it seems like it's kind of like reverse. Like I had to compress it here a little bit, and then put it in. Sometimes these could be kind of a pain to film and do, but kind of just compress it a little bit, and then just slide it in this open slot, and then just push it in. Depending on the brand of filter, I think it might be slightly different, but the whole process here is the same. Now with this one, it's a little hard to squeeze in there, but if it's not working, you could try. What I had to do is turn this upside down, because I guess that's the way it's supposed to go. And I knew that because when I turned it upside down, the door fit on perfect. Alright guys, hope this video helped you out.